Joe Beermaster here. Today we have a 2013 Ford Mustang. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight. Alright, all cars are different and this one is certainly slightly different. So to access it we have to open the trunk. We have to get this trim panel off here. So you can see there's these little wing nuts. You can put a tool in there or you can do it by hand. And that will loosen it up. We're going to do that on both sides, that side, this side. We're going to get in there and try to get to the nuts that hold the tail light in. So this is held in with clips and pressure. So we're going to work it up. Little push pins. If they come off, you're going to have to put them back on afterwards to get them out. Use an angle cutter to pull that out and then slide it back on. And you can see there are, looks like 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3. These are already hand loose. And then we can disconnect it from here, the wire, get it out. So we got to get those out. So I believe it's a 10mm, could be an 11. Since they're loose, we're going to do it by hand. It seems like everybody's beeping their horn and the ambulances are going by. Always happens when I film for some reason or another. Okay, so I got those 3 out. Let's see what happens. We're just going to pull on it. So you gotta keep wiggling it and prying, and then it pops out. Now another little trick I like to do if it doesn't come out easy, one of these might be sticking. So I'll just tap it with a hammer very lightly from the inside to get it out. So now to get the rest of it out, we're going to disconnect this harness here. Press that little button, boom, and this will slide through. Tail light is out. So it's only those 3 studs there and the harness. That's it. That's an easy one. Joe Beermaster. Hope this helped. Please subscribe, share, and thumbs up. Thanks for watching.